Alright guys, I'm back with the next update to my F-150. I just went and had a front leveling kit installed, and I know the ground's not level right here, but you can probably see the difference from the last video on the height of the front of the truck. They said this kit was actually a 2.5 inch, but when I measured it before and after, it's only 2 inches higher, which I don't really care because it completely levels the truck out. The only problem now is I'm wanting to get bigger tires for the truck, and that's something that I was definitely going to wait on until these tires need to be replaced. But now seeing that the truck is leveled out and I can fit, I'm probably gonna go with 33s. I'm not gonna put 35s. I think that's a little much, especially since it's a daily driver. But I don't know what kind of, I don't know if I'm gonna put an all-terrain or if I'm gonna put a mud grip. Honestly, I don't really need any type of mud tire because I really don't go in the mud. But I definitely like the way mud tires look, but I would get better wet road traction and better life out of an all-terrain. My last truck, which was a 2014 F-150, basically the same truck as this. The only addition was it had the off-road package, which one of the differences between the 4x4 and the off-road package is it comes with better tires, a skid plate, and the lock and rear differential. Well, the tires on that truck were also Goodyear Wranglers, but they were Goodyear Wrangler all-terrains rather than, I'm not really sure what these are. I mean, I know they're Goodyear Wranglers, but I don't know if they're, you know, what their designation is. But the tires on my last truck, they were definitely a little better than this. So I may go with that. I may go with a mud tire. I just don't really know. I don't know if tires will be my next upgrade. I'm not really sure where I'm going to go from here. But the leveling kit is definitely something I'd been wanting to get and had kind of just been putting off, and I don't know why. Because it cost me under $300 to get the leveling kit, an alignment, and the installation. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this up because there's a guy over here with a lawnmower. But keep checking on the videos and see what progress the truck makes. Thanks for watching.